how will I market my school chalk? And it is always said that in the business, if you don't know how to sell, then you don't have a business. If you don't know how to sell, then you must get someone to do that for you, because you cannot do business if you don't close sales. Well, hello guys. Um, Thank you so much for once again following me on this channel. But basically, this channel is for us all. You're partly the owner of this channel because you're the one who watch this video every day. Once again, my name is Michael, and I'm going to do this video to sum up a lot of things that have been happening in the course of this year. You know, I have been in this business of chalk making mainly for some good years. So I've got a lot of challenges, mostly when it comes to answering questions from clients, customers, you, the people who are watching this video. So I want you to pay keen attention about this video. I'm going to talk about almost everything that you have been asking me in the course of this year. This is going to be a slightly longer video than I make before. So you be patient, watch it so that maybe you can get the whole idea about commercial school chalk production. Well, as I told you, my name is Michael, and I'm going to be taking you through this. I think to need some writing. I can get somewhere some notebook to write something. School chalk, this is one of the most important questions, and at least I get this question from each and every individual. Is school chalk a profitable business? I have a video on this channel about school chalk profitability. I did this video, I think, like a year back. I'm going to put the link in the description. So watch that video if you have any problem regarding school chalk profitability. And I have also another most important video about school chalk making using clamped mold, because I have a lot of clients who take clamped molds and you get challenges. How to arrange the mold. I have a full video of how to arrange the mold. I have a full video of how to make chalk using clamped mold. I have a full video on profitability of school chalk. And I think from that, I've been also making other videos regarding the materials and where you can find us and other things that we do. As we do also repair and maintenance, we sell all materials, we sell POP, we sell machines, we sell molds. And I also get questions about which type of molds do you have. For your information, we have molds that make 100 pieces. Some people ask me for 150 pieces per round. We don't have that mold. We have the one that makes 100 pieces. We have the one that makes 200 pieces. We have the one that makes 300 and 400 pieces. Those are clamped molds that are available, only those. So, and we also have the IMM gunmetal machines. Remember, those clamped molds are aluminum in nature. They are long lasting. You cannot break it, you cannot damage it, you can't do anything with it. You will use it until you get tired, maybe you give it to your grandchildren or leave the business, but it's not going anywhere, it's not going to be damaged. It doesn't need any repair and maintenance. Only what you do to make sure that it is always clean. Don't keep it dirty. After making your school chalk, make sure you keep it when it is clean, well lubricated. Keep it. It will last for years, even if 20, 30, 40. Then another type of machine that we have the IMM gunmetal machines. Of course, these machines also do not get issues daily, unless if you have handled it badly. So these machines, we have them in two capacities. We have one of 400 cavities. That means it produces 400 chalk sticks per round. After every 10 minutes, you make 400 chalk sticks. And we also have the 800 cavity machine. So that one produces also 800 chalk sticks per round. So it means after every 10 minutes you can make 800 chalk sticks. So those are the type of machines that we have. And another biggest question that people ask me, do you sell materials? Well, we have materials that we need in order to make school chalk. First, we have plaster of Paris, and plaster of Paris is available. The reason as to why I don't want to mention prices in my videos is because this video is going to last for lifetime, and after 10 years a customer who will watch this video will come asking for my PPOP or machine or mold at this very price that I'm going to mention. That's why I don't prefer mentioning prices. But for now, right now, today, the 20th of Feb 2025, POP 40 kilogram costs 70,000. And maybe after some years when you come to me, don't tell me that I watched your video, yet I posted the video 3 years, 4 years back, and you expect things to be the same. No. Because of the forces of demand and supply, maybe prices may change. They may even lower or even go up. So prices, I don't like mentioning them in the video just because of that reason. But if you feel you want to know anything regarding prices, please just feel free to come to my inbox on the number that you are seeing on the screen. Well, plaster of Paris, 40 kilograms. We have only a bag of 40 kilograms. Previously, we used to have a bag of 20 kilograms, 25 in fact, but now it's no longer in the market, so we only have plaster of Paris of 40 kilograms, and now it goes for 70,000. So we have also colors. We break down colors because if you buy in liters, it will be so expensive for you. So we have small tins that we sell at around 25,000 per tin, per color. So if you want color, also color is available. So apart from that, there are lubricants that you need in school chalk production. So of course, those ones you'll just buy from your nearest shops. You don't need to get them from us. You need to get maybe paraffin and cooking oil. A mixture of the two will help you to lubricate your mold or even the IMM gunmetal machine. So apart from that, I think those are the most important things people normally ask me. How to use those machines? I told you the videos are already there on this very YouTube channel. Watch a lot of them to get the details. Now the next is profitability. As I told you, I already have a video on profitability, and I'm going to put a link on the description, so watch it. So someone asked me, how will I market my school chalk? And it is always said that in the business, if you don't know how to sell, then you don't have a business. If you don't know how to sell, then you must get someone to do that for you, because you cannot do business if you don't close sales. Well, so I encourage you guys, let's utilize this opportunity of social media to create leads from the world, because very many people these days go to social media, so you can get customers from there. I told you that besides making a school chalk for sale, you can still make money in this video. You can make videos, post them, and earn money from YouTube. You can train other guys. You know, if you don't share the information with the world, it means you are hiding yourself from the money economy. If you want to trade, if you want money, you need to give out something. It could be your energy, your ideas, maybe your goods or services. So if you know how to do something, of course, that's what you have to trade outside there and make more money. And guess what? If you make an advert of that you're doing school chalk training, you may end up even not selling this chalk, because that will definitely be much more profitable compared to this. So alongside you making school chalk, make sure trade the idea, sell it to other people, let them also learn and make money. And if they learn and start making money, definitely the owner of the idea, you'll be making even much more money. So try to bring other people on board. When you bring other people on board, I guarantee you, I'm the supplier of the molds and machines. definitely we shall be in partnership. I will start giving you molds and machines for sale too. So don't you envision your business growing? Yes, of course it will be growing. So you need to get in connections of how you have to handle your business, not necessarily relying on selling job. Most customers tell me, I have failed to get market. How will I manage my business? The answer is here. Trade also. The idea that we have, don't keep it to yourself, because you will be hiding yourself from the money economy. Well, I would recommend also you to start reading. I have my small library here, and of course I have a lot more other things that I sell. So I have my small library. It has some books, and I recommend some of the books that will help you to learn the selling skill. Of course, once you learn selling, nothing will disturb you, because customers are there. It's up to you to bring them to your side. If customers are there, some other people are taking them. So you need to learn the selling skill, the selling language, so that you can maybe win those clients. I would recommend this book by Brian Tracy, international best-selling author, The Physiology of Selling. You can get this book. I think I have soft copies of these books, and I can give them for free to whoever wants to read, but it will give you a lot of concepts of how you have to sell. Not necessarily selling shkuchok, but selling is a skill that can never make you remain the same. So now we shall enter into the packaging side. As I told you, this is one of our box that we use. This is a general brand, and there's no one who owns copyright of this box in the market. This box, we basically made it for starters. So you can buy this box. We sell this box starting from 100 pieces, and each box is 500. It means 100 pieces will be 50,000 Uganda shillings. So for a starter, this is definitely a good start for you, because you may not manage to make your own brand. The brand requires you to order at least minimum of 500 pieces, and 500 pieces, that is 250,000 if you multiply by 500 each box. So it becomes much more expensive for most people who start. That's why we introduced this brand, so that it can help starters. If you want to be identified as you in the market, there are two things here: standard school chalk made in Uganda by standard school chalk manufacturers. So these are the wordings that are here. And also we have the telephone. Telephone space is empty. It means if you want to put here your phone number for your customers to contact you, you can write your phone number and your location. So no one owns copyright for this box. It is in the market, and we made this brand. Instead of people using plain white, it's better they can start with this. And also we do branding, customized branding of boxes. As I told you, we start from 500 pieces, and each box is 500 shillings. It means you will pay 250,000 for 500 pieces at the beginning. That includes designing the box, cutting it, buying papers, and we make the box and you approve it so that we can print and supply it to you. So there are also cartons. Cartons, I don't have them here to show you, but cartons go for 2,500 plain cartons, and if you want branded cartons, they go for 3,500. So